Hi friends, welcome to Sir Canron LDC classes. Here we are going to learn question bank for station master promotional quota examination. Okay, let us we start the class. First question, there are 18 chapters in GRS. There are 18 zones in Railway Indians. This old one is 17, now current 18 zones. Wind velocity measured by Nm meter. Wind velocity exceed 41 knots or 72 kilometers per hour. Train service to be stopped. Okay. Head of the zonal railway. Head of the zonal railway is GM, General Manager. GRS issued by Railway Board. Head of the division is DRM, Divisional Railway Manager. Headquarters of Southern Railway situated at Chennai. SWR is Station Working Rules. GWR is Gate Working Rules. If period of absence is 15 consecutive days or more, a fresh declaration shall be obtained. One number of damaged vehicle can be attached in rear of rearmost brake van. Information regarding VTO is mentioned in SWR. Gradients at station are given in SWR. What are the station classifications? A, B, C, D and special classes are the classification of stations. There are four kinds of signals. On aspect means most restrictive. What is the aspect of distant signal at on? Caution. Calling on signal is identified by C marker. Automatic stop signal is identified by A marker plate. Semi-automatic stop signal is identified by A marker light. Gate stop signal is identified by G marker. Color light distant signal is identified by P marker. Semi-automatic gate stop signal is identified by G marker plate and A marker light. Authorized officer of Southern Railway is PCOM, Principal Chief Operation Manager. How many RRBs in Southern Railway? 2. Types of shunting? 4. The speed of hand shunting shall not exceed 5 km per hour. The speed of engine shunting shall not exceed 15 kmph. LHB means Link Hoffman Bush. Link Hoffman Bush LHB. Whenever wagons are stabled in running line, they shall be secured by 2 number of safety chains. Whenever wagons are stabled, they shall be secured by 4 number of skids. WLRRM means guard van LHB coaches. Shunting orders form number T bar 806. Whenever wagons are stabled, they shall be secured by pinning down at least 6 hand brake at each side. ISMD always to be attached next to engine. Gatiman Express runs between Jhansi Nizamuddin. Silambu Express runs between Egmore to Sengotai, MSCT. Calling on signal is used for reception of train onto obstructed line. When hot axle noticed in running train, it must be stopped immediately. For fog signaling, 2 detonators should be placed at 270 meters. Point should be cleaned once in 3 days with mixture of graphite powder and oil. While receiving the train on obstructed line, hand signal shall be exhibited 45 meters from the obstruction. Bulging of axle box, roller bearing, crack, metal sound, smoke, red hot fire, these are symptoms of hot axle. When notice the hot axle during night waving of red light left to right across the chest in a wide arc manner. Waving white light at as high as possible and low during night time, train parting signal. BPC means brake power certificate. How many wagons in BLC set? 5. How many coaches in a express train in Southern Railway? 24. Within a station, home signal, level crossing gate are manned by traffic staff. DV mechanically means distributor valve. What are the effect of flat tire? Rail fracture. What are the effect of brake winding? Flat tire. What is the speed of the train with flat tire in goods train? 40 kmph. VCN means bogie cover air brake. BCACBM is what types of goods train? Car, loading wagon. VVZI is what type of vehicle? 8-wheeler brake van. How many wagons in a formation of BTPN? 50 plus 2 brake van. What is the type of ACCW coach? AC2 tier. SLRD means disabled person coach. RDSO situated at Lucknow. RCF situated at Kapurthala. RWF situated at Yelahanka. Modern coach factory situated at Raebareli. Golden Rock workshop situated at Trichy. Konkan Railway has 67 stations. What is the color of brake pipe? Green. What is the color of feed pipe? White. Outer, home and LSS should not be used for shunting. To normalize the ICC system, after alarm chain pulled, resetting handle should be used. Normally points are set to a straight line. Guard must report duty before 30 minutes. What is the normal life of the detonators manufactured in 2011? 5. Trap point in loop line protect main line. MRV in Chennai division is available. Central MAS ZTJ. To start a train, BPC certificate issued by SSE, JE, CNW is necessary. Next question. T bar 369 3B plus PHS authority shall be issued during starter signal failure. In multiple aspect area, the first reception stop signal is home. POH means periodical overhauling. For number of 30 hours periodical rest in a month should be given to guard. Sighting committee should conduct foot plate inspection once in 3 months. Turning out time for BD special in day 30 minutes. Calling on signal is a subsidiary signal. Position lights shunt signal will show 2 oblique lights when it is off. A speed of train on turn out expect under approved special instruction is 15. Headquarters of North Eastern Frontier Railways, Malegaon. In level crossing, emergency buttons are provided in the use of putting back the gate signal. Calling on signal used for signal failure. Dead engine should not be attached in Shatabdi and Rajdhani trains. Semi-automatic signal means manually operated, automatic, both. At terminal yard, stop board will be provided. What is D class gate? Unmanned LC gate is called D class gate. Day means from sunrise to sunset. Line clear ticket form number T bar 1425. What should not be done after train? Throw back the train. Competency certificate valid for 3 years. Threshold value based on railway property is 1 lakh. Usage of walkie-talkie in lieu of hand signal during shunting is prohibited. Turning out time for BD special at 18 hours 45 minutes. CBC means center buffer coupling. CBC means center buffer coupling. So okay friends, in first video part of the SM promotional quota question, we will memorize only 100 question. Next coming video we will start another questions regarding SM. Okay, thank you.